Plants are essential to our planet. They provide food, they can even clean our water. But did you know plants have the power to heal?
When you're out in your garden and you feel that sense of well-being, that's a real thing, and that is the basis of therapeutic horticulture.
Horticultural Therapist Leah Diehl helps us understand the full impact plants have on our well-being.
This is a therapeutic horticulture program, and that means that we use plants and plant materials as a vehicle, for the most part, to increase quality of life. That could be for mental health, decreasing depression, decreasing anxiety, increasing self-esteem, or it could be for increasing physical ability, mild exercise, eye-hand coordination, gross and fine motor skills, and it just depends on the individual. There are so many benefits to working with plants. There's just the restorative aspect of being outdoors, connecting with nature, getting our hands in the soil that's so valuable for our mental health, stress reduction, anxiety reduction. There's a lot of great research that tells us that that's the case. Thinking about maintaining your landscape as a Florida-friendly landscape can be really a great way to engage some of these benefits that we see in therapeutic horticulture, because not only are you learning new things through educating yourself about the components, also you're out there getting some exercise, you're out there connecting with nature and the smells, the sounds, all those really important natural aspects that help with that restoration that's so important for our mental health. I really encourage you to get out into nature, into your yard, and enjoy what it has to offer. You know, when you've worked so hard in that garden and you've been weeding and planting, and make sure to sit and enjoy and really take some time to recognize the work that you've done, what you've done for the environment, what you've done for yourself, your community, and take that in.